Hello mga kababayan, mga nangarap sa inyong lahat. Ito, naka-dress up tayo ngayon pang maintenance sa Abire. So mag-inspection and magte-test po tayo ng magnetic fire doors. So medyo marami-rami po ito. And inspection natin sa testing natin one by one kung gumagana. Papakita ko po sa inyo yung lista. So ito po yun mga kababayan, yung listahan ng itetest kong automatic magnetic fire doors. So ideally, itong magnetic fire doors is nakabukas lang siya palagi. Pag nagkakaroon ng fire alarm ay automatic po itong magsasara. So magnetically release po ito siya. So pwede rin to siyang isarado automatically sa bridge. Ay i-release lang namin yung yung tag nito, release button doon sa taas, or we just have to press yung test ng ng fire alarm, magre-release po siya. So isa-isahin ko na po. Mag-start po tayo sa may pinakamataas. Samahan niyo po ako. Okay. Dito na po tayo sa may 5th deck. So yan po. Makikita nyo. I-press ko lang po ito. Yung red button, it will release. So dito po. At saka ito. So door release button po yan. So lahat ng ng pintuan dito sa sa may deck, every deck na yan, meron pong ganito. So nakabukas lang siya. Pag nagkaroon ng fire alarm, automatically release. So ibabalik ko po. Ayan. Then try ko pong bubuksan. Hindi siya pwede. So I need to press this. And it will release automatically. Watch this. There you go. Yan. Okay. Then next po tayo. Medyo mataas po kasi kaya hiningal ako. The next one is yung brown deck. Ayan po. Ipipress ko po. Then release. There you go. Ayan po. Ayan. Then bubuksan ko na po siya. And babalik. And I'll try it again. Press. Okay. It's part of my testing. All right.
You know, I don't know if it's part of your responsibility. You know the remote control on the winch as you go out from the changing room.
Yeah.
On the mezzanine. Okay. There is a remote control on the basically on the winch.
Yeah.
On the beam. This remote control, what they do, they just tie it with a small rope to the hook.
Okay. Technically, you can ask Chief Engineer about it.
Chief engineer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chief Engineer, so he can explain to you properly when it comes to technicalities. Yes. So, dito na po tayo ngayon sa may green deck. So, same thing on the green deck. I'm going to press this one. And let's check out. Close. Then I open it up again. Then one more time. There you go. Then I'll go down to the yellow deck. In here, press this one again, and it closes. Then press one more time. There you go. Then I'll go down again. And dito na tayo sa first accommodation deck, which is the galley deck. There you go. Close. And that's this one. Okay. And we get on again. And we're now here at the changing room. Place this one. Press. And it's closing. Press again. That's. There you go. And papunta tayo sa my engine room area. So here is the door release. Press. That's it. And try again. There you go. So marami-rami pa ito mga kababayan. I'm proceeding inside dito sa my engine room area, and yeah, so ganun na po yung procedure. Isa-isahin ko po yan, iti-test, and hanggang sa matapos. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.